This exercise is designed to take the sensation of a sigh and help find a way to sing without engaging all those neck muscles that want to help with swallowing. So we start with the sigh instead. This is something that you could use daily, several times a day. And I would do this in 6 steps. That's 3 plus 3 steps. So I'm going to do this in my range, and then I'm going to suggest other starting notes for other voice types. So for me, first of all, I'm just going to sigh. And I want to phonate just a little bit as I sigh. One of those sighs that you do to get to be noticed by somebody. And then the next thing is step 1. I'm going to take a starting note. For me, this is a G. I'm going to take a starting note and I'm going to go E, and try to start in the vicinity of that note. E, E. In fact, I might even put a beginning consonant on the front of it. For me, since I'm using an E, let's do a front tongue consonant. So we're going to go D. D, D, D. D, 5 times. And the idea here is that I don't want to get any heavier than that sigh actually felt. So that's step 1. Step 2 would be to put a finite last note on the exercise as well. D, 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 5 times. D. And again, here I just want the sensation of the sigh. I don't want anything to become D to make it feel singy at all. No pressure whatsoever. Third thing now would be to stretch out the top note and the bottom note, still starting with the sensation of a sigh. D, 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 for a total of 5 times. Now what I'm going to do is to start to add a little bit of weight to that top note, still starting with the sigh, but to add a little bit of weight to the top note. And then bring that weight down. D. Step 5, more weight to the top note, still starting with the sigh, but more weight to the top note, and bring that weight down. D. Step 6, D. Still starting with the sigh. And I would do each of those 5 times. So step 1, D, 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 D. Step 2, a finite ending note as well. D, D, D. 5 times. Step 3, lengthen the top and the bottom note. D, D. Step 4, start to add weight to the top note and bring that weight down. Step 5, add more weight to the top note and bring that weight down. Step 6, add even more weight to the top note and bring that weight down. But always, always, always starting from that place of for that place of a sigh. So if you're a bass or a baritone, I would start this on a G. If you're a tenor, how about we do this starting on middle C? If you're an alto, how about we do this starting on F with B flat being the bottom note? By the way, tenor, C down to F. Alto, F being the top note, B flat being the bottom note. You could start on G and come down to C if you wish. And soprano, let's do this starting on, let's do this on D coming down to G. So those 4 voice parts starting in different places. So if I'm a soprano, I'm not even going to try to demonstrate. But if I'm a tenor, D, D. If I'm an alto and soprano, let's do this on the word goo, G-O-O. Goo, goo, goo. And soprano, way up there. Got it? Have fun with this. This will really help get these swallowing muscles out of the way. In fact, if you want to check it, tenors, sing this. Jazz hand kind of sound. Ah, you know, big sound. And then do the exercise and come back and see how much freer this is. So I would go, ha, ha, big, big, big sound, checking what the tension is in here. And then when I come back to it after the sign, that's probably going to be a lot less tense if there's any tension in these muscles at all. You will always feel the larynx vibrating, but we want to get away from all that tension. Have fun.